Yeah, what we gonna light the candle first?
It's recording, baby.
Yeah, I know. Okay. Happy birthday to my dear brother, Pio, Delin, and to our great-granddaughter, Paris Kyle Dagpin, for her 6 years old today. So Pio and Paris Kyle, they have the same date, birthday. So we're gonna sing a birthday song for both of you. With the cake and the candles. Okay. Medyo yabag-yabag ang guitar.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. And many more.
Okay, Pio and Paris Kyle, mag-blow me yung candles para ninyong duha. Happy birthday. Ready, go! Naganas candle.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Pio, we're hoping that you are in good health and you're happy with our songs and the cake. And so with Paris Kyle, na 6 years old pa siya.
Wow.
So, you can't believe, no, nga, na parehas mong birthday, you have the same birthday. Dayon, si Paris pod, a very cute girl, mura na bag Japanese o itsura, ang ngalan kay American made kayo, Paris Kyle. Gikan sa Paris ka, Paris is London place, Kyle is the USA name. Ang itsura kay murag Japanese nga bata. So happy birthday. So next year again, we'll see you. Bye-bye.